Hi, I'm Jiten Shah, founder and president of Product Development and Analysis located in Naperville, Illinois. I'm excited to be an instructor and teaching an upcoming class on casting design starting November 17th to share my experience of over 35 years with casting design and manufacturing of various alloys and processes. Over the past 27 years, PDA has worked on over several hundred new casting designs, redesigned, reverse engineered, and solved quality issues. And I'll share my experience of casting design and optimization, including lightweighting and better performance utilizing design tools, newer alloys, and processes. As I frequently say, follow the 80-20 rule, where 20% of the upfront efforts towards design and development really has impact on the 80% of the total manufacturing cost. From my experience, I have seen too many quality issues as a result of poor casting design. This class will really benefit young engineers of OEMs, casting users, and buyers with better understanding of the state-of-the-art design process, tools, alloys, processes, and requirements, as well as the engineers of the casting manufacturers with better understanding of the casting design and optimization methodology and tools. Look forward to seeing you and your engineers at the upcoming class. Thank you.